In mining, every gram counts. In times of challenging market conditions, you need to get the most out of every rock you mine. To perform successfully, you need reliable, highly efficient operations and a strategic maintenance approach. Productivity is key. To achieve high productivity, your assets have to perform on optimum level day and night. The common solution is to track the asset condition, but finding the right tool that performs exactly the analysis you need on the assets you define, while bringing valuable results to your operation and maintenance, is not an easy task. How to tackle this challenge? With ABB's tailored and maintenance-oriented solution, AssetVista. AssetVista utilizes this untapped potential hidden in thousands of production assets. It will help you improve your maintenance activities and increase process efficiency. It will enable a faster and accurate decision-making process thanks to an enhanced information flow within your operation and maintenance departments. AssetVista gives you easy access to your data and allows you to use it for predictive analytics and innovative diagnosis thanks to online condition monitoring. All that to sustain and improve maintenance performance. It is not just another software application. It is much more. AssetVista combines a solution tailored to your site requirements and based on your maintenance strategy, with continuous improvement support to provide a complete service package. It provides all relevant data in a user-friendly, real-time dashboard and detailed reports. Increase proactive and predictive maintenance plus maximize your return on investment. AssetVista is your solution to gain maintenance excellence and improve productivity. When do you want us to release your maintenance potential?